Even today, pointers and memory management is considered one of the most important and complicated topics in programming. Understanding them is crucial for all those who want to create high-performance applications using C++. If you want to be a game developer or develop high-performance desktop applications, then you need to learn pointers and memory management. But as I told you, it is the most complicated topic as well. So how you can understand them easily? For that, we made this course. In this course, we will explain everything step by step and using visual and practical examples in which you can easily understand. One of the biggest problems in learning programming is that you learn everything from coding examples alone, and in theory, you need to imagine things in your brain, the things that you have never seen, like memory. You have never seen what is memory, how it works, and what's going on behind the scene. You just use some coding examples and then you have to understand what's going on there. But no, that's why it makes it complicated. That's why you cannot understand memory management easily. For that, we need visual representation, and in this course we use visual representation for every example and for every topic, so that way you can understand pointers easily. If you see the pointers, this is pointer, this is memory, this is address, and that's how you can take the address and store it in a pointer. This is how you can use new and delete keys to dynamically allocate memory for your new variables, and this is how memory looks like. Using these techniques, you can easily understand pointers and memory management. And the most important thing, understanding dynamic memory allocation is important. If you make a small mistake with dynamic memory allocation, you will have a very big problem. That's why you have to understand the hazards of dynamic memory allocation. So you have to understand dangling pointers, memory fragmentation, and memory leaks correctly. So that way you can avoid them. And the last important topic of this course would be about smart pointers. Well, using smart pointers will make it easy for you to use dynamic memory allocation and pointers without memory leaks, memory fragmentation, and even dangling pointers. So smart pointers were added to C++ 11, and till now we can use them, which is very cool. But if you want to understand smart pointers better, for that we need pointers, dynamic memory allocation, new and delete keywords, and in this course we will talk about all of them deeply and in details. Everything you need to know about these topics would be covered in this course. So if you want to learn all these topics, you're welcome to join this course. But again, a quick reminder that this course is not for beginners. If you don't know the topics listed right here, then this course is probably not recommended to you. But still, if you know these topics from some other programming language like Java or C, still you're good to go. We will have an optional section in this course in which we'll cover these topics very basically. That section is just introduction to these topics. We are not going to details about these topics like functions, arrays, data types, and all those stuff. We'll just introduce you to them. So if you know about them from some other programming language, then you can understand them better. But still, if you're absolutely beginner and you don't know anything about data types, functions, arrays, and vectors, then this course is not recommended to you. But who am I? I have over 5 years of experience using C++ and Unreal Engine. I developed some games as well. You can find the game I developed called Deadly Domain and Epic Games right now. And also I've created some courses for Udemy, which has very good rating. You can check it right now. So my students are happy till now. So if you're ready, let's go to the course and start this amazing journey together.